Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me. Oop, can't even speak today, I'm so thirsty. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another reaction video to the group UN1TY, Unity, UN1TY, and this is a reaction video to the newly released song Restu Waktu. Someday I will know to pronounce these names better, so someone actually a few people who remind me, hey, they're gonna release their video I think Indonesian time. Oh, please react to it. I said I would do it as soon as possible when I get off work that day. So let's go.
Hai.
I think it's a slow ballad.
Kamu lagi apa?
Oh, it's a slow ballad. Oh.
Bulan di sana apa sama purnama? Adakah bintang temani malamnya?
Oh, this
Seperti malamku. Bulan
CDC guideline music video. Okay.
Ada rasa rindu yang sama, hangat cinta dari langit senja, hingga kita berjumpa. Jauh jarak pisahkan kita, untuk rindu sendiri.
Okay. Giving us vocals this album, this song, and this group really they can sing, especially that one for they can sing. The Painter. Aww.
Sampai temu dapat restu dari waktu.
Oh no, you guys are making me hungry now.
Jarak memaksa kita untuk terpisah di sini sepi.
Is that his mom?
Sendiri. Memang tak bisa tanpa layar genggam tanganmu. Bersabarlah.
What does this mean when they do like this? What does it mean?
Sampai temu dapat.
I've seen a lot of Korean and Japanese musical artists do that in most of their music videos. What does that mean? Curious. I really do like this blue undertone line in this video. It seemed kind of dreamy. This music video is very dreamy, so I like that effect. Here comes a rapper.
Dan bila memang tak bisa tanpa layar genggam tanganmu, bersabarlah sampai temu dapat restu dari waktu.
I miss you.
Oh,
I miss you too.
Oh, that is so sweet. It's a nice love song. One day I will get there where I can say, It was very beautiful. It was very beautiful. Nicely done, Unity. Nicely done. That was the music video to their song recently released, Restu Waktu. Thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this video. I really do appreciate it. It's a very nice love song. Maybe I do need to read into it a little bit more to see what's on with this song. But as always, thanks to the ones. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.